Give him your hand. Help him, son.
Here, I'll let you have it. Hold on for a second. Hold on.
Turn the stirrup for him, honey. There you go. Hold that for him. Take him to a barrel.
For the saltiest one, I think I like her the most.
Climb, baby, climb.
Hey, my stirrup, dude.
Go for a ride. I can't reach my bridle reins. Monkey, stand up and ride him. He's all like, what are you doing on me?
Okay, that'll work.
Go over your tarp.
What? That's not a smart way to get down, you dummy.
Go over your tarp.
I'll go over the deck. You're gonna get flipped up.
Okay. Go over the tarp and stop. Stop. Whoa. Okay, Superman off, Tristan. Shut up, Dozy. Look at this. Hold on, Kyler. I'm going to get pictures of you too. Neck craney. Inside heel.
That's my house. Oh, you guys weren't ready.
Okay, tell him whoa.
Pretend we're walking on Universe Big Cake.
Do you want it opened up? Yeah. Okay, you're on. Make a big loop. Go that way, big loop. Big. There you go. Come all the way around this barrel. Well, I don't want him around the barrel because he's going to drop it and go over it in a minute. Keep going, bud. Straight up. Okay, stop. Turn and face. Where are you going? Okay, now go back over it. Hands low, make him walk. Go up the bank when you get over there, Kay.
That way when she does something like that, you can whip her. It'll make her quit.
Okay, come back down.
Neck crane.
Kick him down. Okay, now go back up that way. There you go. Go up. Go up. On text. Mm-hmm. How long? No. How long ago did you send it?
Not very long ago.
while I was in town, before I left for town.
Ah. It didn't come through. Have to send it again.
Give me a minute and I'll show it to you. Kick her up, son. Tristan. Go up through the brush, Bubba. Tristan, come back toward Mom. Bubba, go that way. Tristan, come this way. That's good. Just stand right there, monkey.
Oh, she's pooping. She can't walk.
That's all right. She can stay over there.
Oh!
Get a hold of her, bud. Stop, Bubba.